Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix verification code not received. If the video works for you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, the first step is to go to Settings. We will go to Apps. Go to Messages. And the first thing we will do is to deactivate iMessage for a few seconds. After waiting, we will activate it again. And make sure you have the Send as Text Message option enabled. Now we will go to Blocked Contacts. And surely here you will have many blocked numbers. We will have to make sure that we have not blocked the number from which we are not receiving the message. But you will ask yourself, how can I know which number is the blocked number? Well, it is something simple. First, we will go to Safari or Google. And here we will look for the number of the company or whatever we want to send us a message. And then we will unblock it. And ready? If the video was useful to you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.